Hello guys, welcome to Plus Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. My people, today na Monday 26th of July 2021. We dey live for Cotonou for the court where dem go hear Chief Sunday Igboho's case. As we know say they arrest Chief Sunday Igboho inside plane as he dey travel from Cotonou to Germany with his wife. And the reason why they arrest am be say some people dey talk say he carry fake passport, Cotonou fake passport, but according to him lawyer let us know say na lie o, say no be fake passport dem see for Chief Sunday Igboho and say Sunday Igboho carry original Nigerian passport, and on top that sef e con hold residential permit for Germany, say yes e fit reside for Germany. So as people, some bad belle people come dey talk say hey, Sunday Igboho carry fake passport, na that's why they come arrest am o, and this kind thing, hey, under the law na 21 years for Benin Republic o. So we don know say na lie, no be wetin make dem arrest am be that. Na Nigerian government say make dem stop am, say because dem know say Sunday Igboho go pass from Cotonou go Germany. So as Interpol come see am, na dem stop am come arrest am. Na Sunday Igboho lawyer come dey talk say e no pray say make dem carry Sunday Igboho go Nigeria, say we know all the tea wey im eye see the time wey dem go raid im house. Say e just be like say make person can throw away person for lion den, na im be the thing if dem carry am go Nigeria. Say they wan try to prevent Benin government say make dem allow dem carry Sunday Igboho go Nigeria. So people wey dey here now na Sunday Igboho supporters, some of them na media people, dem dey there to know wetin go happen today. Dem never bring Sunday Igboho come court o, but dem go still bring am court very soon. Na today we go hear everything. As Sunday Igboho own dey happen for here, na him Nnamdi Kanu own sef dey happen for Abuja. And Nigeria government dem resist media to take coverage of the hearing. Na only 10 media house na dem give permission, but today now where we dey for Cotonou na Chief Sunday Igboho matter na im we dey here dey do o. So we still dey wait make dem bring Chief Sunday Igboho come court, and dem go still bring am come court. A lot of people don talk about this case, say say even our own lawyer Femi Falana sef talk say na small thing DSS for don kill Sunday Igboho if to say he no escape from him house that day, because he get lucky. He really get luck say they no catch am that day, they for just finish am like that. So as all Yoruba people come gather for Cotonou today, their prayer be say make dem no do anything for Sunday Igboho, make dem release Sunday Igboho. E better, as people dey talk, dem say e better make Sunday Igboho dey for Cotonou for Benin, even for prison for Benin, that make dem bring am come Nigeria, because for now Nigeria na out of it for am, no fit come out. So we dey there, we dey live, we go dey give you updates as the matter dey happen. People just dey enter the court now, people just dey arrive, they never start anything, and Sunday Igboho sef never come court. All Yoruba people prayer today now na im be say make dem free Sunday Igboho. Even the Ooni of Ife sef send delegates to Cotonou, and no be only Ooni, the Olubadan of Ibadan, he talk say Sunday Igboho he marry for Ibadan, he born children for Ibadan, he can't get house for Ibadan, so he don be Ibadan citizen. He sef send him own people to monitor everything wey dey happen for Cotonou. So no be only Sunday Igboho dey there now, a lot of people sef dey with am. And even Sanwo-Olu sef don talk. He talk say people, no be everybody dey go come out come to public come dey talk, say people are working underground to make sure say Sunday Igboho get justice. Though most of our southwestern governors never talk anything about this matter, especially Rotimi Akeredolu sef wey be the chairman for the southwestern governor forums, he never say anything. And our belief be say all of them dey work underground in support of Sunday Igboho. Even Makinde sef never talk anything. So though people dey express their disappointment, but they can't believe say at least dem be real Yoruba citizen, dem be real Yoruba pikin. So one way or the other, dem sef dem go do their own part to favour Sunday Igboho. So my people, I go dey give una updates as the matter dey go, but for now Chief Sunday Igboho never reach court, but im wife sef dey there. Im wife don reach there. The lawyer sef don dey there, but dem never bring Sunday Igboho come court. So as the matter dey go, I go dey give una update. More na stay tuned. Thank you.
Tí orílẹ̀-èdè Benin tí wọ́n fi mú olóyè Sunday Igboho ní pápákọ̀ òfurufú níbi tí wọ́n ti ń gbìyànjú láti lọ sí orílẹ̀-èdè Germany. Sí báyìí a ti balẹ̀ sí ilé ẹjọ́ tí ìgbẹ́jọ́ olóyè Sunday Igboho máa ti wáyé ní àárọ̀ yìí. Lánàá ikọ̀ BBC News Yorùbá bákan náà a bá olóyè Tolúlàṣẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ní àná, èyí tí ó jẹ́ aṣojú gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba ní ìlú Benin tí a bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ máa rí ní orí Facebook wa tí ẹ máa ti máa rí wò kedere. Láàárọ̀ yìí mo lè sọ fún yín pé a ti fojú ba ìyàwó olóyè Sunday Igboho náà. Àwọn náà ti dé ilé ẹjọ́ yìí ní àárọ̀ yìí. Àwọn olólùfẹ́ olóyè Sunday Igboho náà àwọn náà ti wà ní ìkàlẹ̀. A ti rí àwọn kan náà tí wọ́n dé adé sórí, àwọn lọ́balọ́ba tí wọ́n múra, àwọn náà wọ́n ti dé, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n wà ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. A máa fi wọ́n hàn yín bí ó bá yá. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ máa rí kedere ní orí ìkànnì wa BBC News Yorùbá. Àmọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí mo bá lọ, àdúrà àti ọ̀rọ̀ àgbàrá orúkọ tó ṣáájú àwọn tó bá dá ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ tó ń ṣáájú àwọn tó bá dá ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀fẹ́. Láìpẹ́ à ń retí kí wọ́n gbé olóyè Sunday Igboho dé ilé ẹjọ́ báyìí kí agbẹjọ́rò rẹ̀ náà kí òun náà dé, nítorí ìgbẹ́jọ́ náà kò ní pẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀.
àdúrà náà ní ká máa gbà kí Ọlọ́run bá mi ó jẹ́ kí mo rà nígbà torí pé àdúrà náà ní ẹ̀rọ wọn jẹ mọ́ lábẹ́ àkóso bó ti dìbò.